without change. Guess what? Still I see no changes. All I see face of people trying to strive for a better life, looking for peace of mind of soul, denying the realities of life is sold, just waiting for the days to unfold. Racism's still going on, terrorism's got us holding on, poverty strikes the whole world through, with millions still hungry, mouths to feed, lack of education, lack of understanding, all these are true. Whatever happened to your helping hand? You don't need to go and get yourself another land. Equality is never achieved, cause it's always in the pride that we believe. Now ask yourself, isn't there a little space in your heart for love? Isn't there a bit of space for peace? So what you gonna do when the times roll by? You better be ready for the bumpy ride.
Hey, what you gonna do when you start seeing the world fall down, when love feels so red to around? Hey, what you gonna do? No human eyes are on you, so tell me what you're gonna do. It's a shame how reality is devastating. Politics dividing us, but still we don't know what the heck we're going. Promises of better lives always gets the ball rolling. After a year, all the kids are CB buds smoking fame and power. Always seem to blind us, the lust for money usually controls us, accepting our weaknesses. Now that's a hard part, but it's in how we live our lives that gives a better start. So come on, it's time that we work together. It's about time that we start supporting each other. Unity will always be the best solution, and not political fights or some revolution. We gotta keep our focus on the things we do. In fact, we gotta keep our focus on the things we say too, cause after all is said and done, we gotta realize that this world wasn't made for just one. Hey, what you gonna do when you start seeing the world fall down, when love fades so red to around? Hey, what you gonna do? No human eyes are on you, so tell me what you're gonna do.
In fact, it's gotten deep, yeah, it's gotten deep, so deep it's everlasting. Often starts with a little misunderstanding. A few days later you'll see it could be life-changing. Chemical wars, biological wars. There's a war in the USA, war in the Middle East. Will it ever stop? You better believe. But to find the solution, gotta start from the top. War's not the answer, never has it been, and never will it be. A lot of them innocent lives have been terrorized, criticized, cause all we do in the world is just live up in a lie. So all you Latins, blacks, Americans, Asians, Muslim, Protestant, Jews, Christians, now's the time that we unite to make this world better. Everybody's gotta get up and fight. Now let's unite.
Hey, what you gonna do?
So what you gonna do?
When you start seeing the world fall down, when love feels so red to around. Hey, what you gonna do? No human eyes are on you, so tell me what you're gonna do. Hey, what you gonna do?
So what you gonna do
when you start seeing the world fall down, when love feels so red to around? Hey, what you gonna do?
Come on.
No human eyes are on you, so tell me what you're gonna do. Hey, what you gonna do when you start seeing the world fall down, when love feels so red to brown? Hey, what you gonna do? Oh, yeah. So tell me what you're gonna do. It's a shame how reality is devastating. Politics dividing us, but still we don't know what the heck we're going. Promises of better lives always gets the ball rolling. After a year, all the kids are CB buds smoking fame and power. Always seem to blind us, the lust for money usually controls us, accepting a